Biggest Gear the Monday is here. New knife. This is bigger. Today is not about packet. You wish today was about packet. Today is not about packet, but yes, there's something in this. This is for some other day. What is today about? Thank you so much for asking. I will let you know what today is about. Today is really about my ultimate setup. I'm going to show you what my super vlogging setup is like. While building this setup, I'm going to reveal a couple of things that have completely changed, especially since vlogging became an actual thing. At the days of the Neistats and the days of the Peter McKinnons with the 1DX Mark II, things have really evolved since then. What do we need? Surprise, surprise, more surprise, more surprise, more surprise. I think I forgot something. And for video, we're going to use the GoPro Hero 10. I did an unboxing a while back. You guys should check it up here. We're going to talk camera. We're going to definitely talk sound. For the sound, Rode Wireless Go 2. And how everything comes together. And here we have the SmallRig cage kit for GoPro Hero 12. So this is SmallRig. SmallRig is another brand that is making nice accessories for content creators on a very good budget. This is what puts everything together. Alright, so what do we have here? This has a latch that you pull and it opens. Because the GoPro has to be waterproof, they have this door that they usually put here that is entirely closed and it's removable. When you remove it, you need to replace it with this one because we need sound from that port that is used for charging. The moment you replace that official door, the GoPro is no longer waterproof, so you really do not want to risk it. So yeah, we have that done. Now the USB-C port is exposed. The cage, when you remove this, the one SmallRig has to be facing up, fits your GoPro. It needs a bit of effort. Yep, so we have the GoPro fitting perfectly in the cage, and when you close it, the latch makes that sound, which means that GoPro is safe and secure. Yeah, so the other thing that you get is the best. So this sits at the bottom. They show you the direction where everything should be facing, so you will also feel another latch. Okay, so now it's starting to look like a bigger camera, but it still fits in my palm, but it's starting to have a bit of mass to it. We still have control of almost everything. The USB port is exposed, power button is exposed, and the record button is exposed as well. This is very interesting. We get two hot shoe mounts here and here, camera tucked on the side. Now we go to sound. This is the Wireless Go 2. They look like small, tiny, cool dolls. Now I feel like they're safe. I can actually have them on the table. This came from KW Mobile, and this cost rather cheap. I think it was about like 12 euros to save my 250 euro mic. So this is the game changer. This is the GoPro audio adapter. So the job of this is to connect the sound to the visual. If you want to use your own microphones like this changes the signal from USB-C. Remember this adapter that you put at the base? This base that we are seeing here, that hole right there, this perfectly sits. And this goes into the USB-C port. And you have this very nice. Yeah, honestly, I like this. This feels robust. The audio jack is open now, and we also have the USB-C port in case you want to charge. So now we have two ports open. While the cage keeps this GoPro safe, it also gives you these two hot shoe mounts where this actually does sit. So now we have the masterpiece. But keep in mind the microphone is not yet connected to the GoPro. This is where the Rode audio cable comes in. So now we can fit this here. With that fit in there, we need to fit this as well in the Wireless Go 2. Now we have the power. This, what you're seeing right now, is a powerful tool because we have nice sound and a very nice, potentially capable camera. But this for me is one of the biggest setups. With this kind of silicone case, you also have the option of changing colors. So this is very interesting because I can always have like 4 colors just so in case I want to have it look like my shirt or have like a particular dress code. The possibilities are limitless with this kind of arrangement. Now I can give this to whoever I'm going to talk to or talk with, then we have a massive setup. On the adapter case, we get that typical GoPro mount. Now I can put this. Now, be honest with me and tell me this does not strike you. This is the ultimate setup for me. I love the cable. This is what can get you started. This can do almost everything from interviews to walk and talk to typical vlogging on the streets. I think I got the GoPro for about the mic's 250. Cable I got separate. SmallRig cage, about 78 euros. Altogether is less than 1,000 euros for you to start vlogging. You do not have an excuse for that. Fix a memory card in there, power this bad boy up, and you are in business. I think for each and every action, very heavy action based vlogs, I'm going to be using this kind of setup. I don't know which camera to look into. Just so it's clear for me, for the next, I think about 4 or 5 vlogs that I'm going to do that are really action heavy, a lot of movement and things like that in the streets is going to be my go-to kit. This gets the job done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate. We have automatically and completely switched the GoPro. This is less than 1,000. I think altogether is about 800 euros. Check in the description. I'll make sure that I just put links for you. Let me know what you guys think. I hope this has made sense for you. Hit like it, subscribe. And it was geared the Monday. Bimadereq. They can't see us now. Anyhow, that's more like it, guys. Talking transitions, maybe I should talk about transitions. Let me know, guys, if you guys want to know how I approach some of my editing things. But yeah, that's more like it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. This has been my perfect setup, and I'm going to start vlogging with this now. There's a lot of reasons why I need this. It's cheap, and I like the fact I like the red with the turquoise and the black grungy things. This Monday, this Montag. Man, I'm learning 2 languages, and it's not easy knowing which one to use when, how. Came with my cool English here, but yet my English is broken. My German was never fixed in the first place.